Imagine ChatGPT, but instead of learning English, it learns the language of DNA. EVO2 is a genome foundation model trained on DNA sequences from organisms across the tree of life. Rather than solving just one task, it learns general biological patterns that can be used for many downstream applications. One surprising fact about EVO2 is that it only receives DNA as input. It isn't told where genes begin or end, and it doesn't receive RNA or protein sequences. During training, the model simply predicts the next DNA base, gradually discovering biological rules on its own. EVO2 learned from one of the largest biological datasets ever assembled. Its training data includes genomes from bacteria, plants, animals, fungi, archaea, and viruses. By seeing such diverse DNA, it learns patterns that are shared across many forms of life. Instead of relying on a standard transformer, EVO2 uses the StripedHyena architecture. This design efficiently processes extremely long DNA sequences while still learning complex biological relationships. It makes genome-scale reasoning much more practical. Many important DNA elements are separated by thousands or even hundreds of thousands of bases. EVO2 can analyze up to 1 million DNA letters at once, allowing it to connect distant regulatory elements with the genes they control. Even a single DNA mutation can change how a gene works. EVO2 evaluates sequence changes and estimates whether they are likely to affect biological function. This capability could help researchers prioritize variants for further experimental study. EVO2 doesn't just understand DNA, it can also generate new DNA sequences. Rather than producing only short fragments, it can create long genomic regions that resemble naturally occurring genomes, opening exciting possibilities for synthetic biology research. EVO2 represents a major step toward general-purpose AI for biology. A single model can support mutation prediction, genome annotation, biological discovery, and even DNA design. Instead of building a different AI model for every task, researchers can start with one powerful foundation model and adapt it to many applications.